All right, it is day 2 of Heggerty. Ready? All right, the first thing we're going to do is talk about the rhyming words. You're going to tell me if the 2 words that I say rhyme. Give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Ready? Frost, frame. Frost, frame. Remember where rhyming words sound the same. Which one? Do those rhyme or do they not rhyme? Frost, frame. No, they do not. They start the same. They have the same blend, but they have different endings. Ready? Prize, skies. Prize, skies. Do they have the same sound at the end? They do. Good. Prize and skies rhyme. What about fry and sky? Fry, sky. Good, they rhyme. We can see that our mouth makes the same shape at the end. What about slice, price? Slice, price. Good, they rhyme. They have the same ending. All right, last one. Frayed, trade. Frayed, trade. Good, they rhyme as well. Great job. All right, now we're going to talk about the beginning. Which word has a different blend? So there's one that doesn't match. Tell me which one it is. Ready? Player, glisten, pleasant. Player, glisten, pleasant. Good. Glisten does not have the same beginning blend. All right. Blueberry, blackout, clothing. Blueberry, blackout, clothing. Which one is different? Good. Clothing. Ready? Special, station, stomach. Special, station, stomach. Which one is different? Good. Special is different. All right. Crocodile, creative, brighten. Crocodile, creative, brighten. Good. Brighten starts with brr, not cr. Last one. Spelling, scatter, spinach. Spelling, scatter, spinach. Which one is different? Scatter. Good. It has sk instead of sp. All right. Let's tap the sounds. Ready? Let's do our blend. We know when we have a blend, we need to use our thumb and our finger to make one sound. Ready? B, a. I'm sorry. B, a, d. Braid. P, a, z. Praise. G, gr, a, s. Grace. Cur, a, t. Crate. B, a, n, z. Bronze. I, z. Fries. G, gr, o, n. Grown. P, I, z. Prize. G, gr, oo, p. Group. Last one. B, a, n. Brain. All right, now we've been talking about the middle sound. Now we're going to talk about the ending sound, the final sound that you hear. So listen to these 3 words and tell me what the final or the last sound that you hear is in all of them. Ready? Sail, flail, smile. Sail, flail, smile. Good. The last sound in all of them is O. Ready? Sleep, prop, slope. Sleep, prop, slope. Good. P, p. Next one. Slime, cream, prime. Slime, cream, prime. Good. All right. Stage, stooge, huge. Stage, stooge, huge. Good, the j sound. All right. Cried, grade, bride. Cried, grade, bride. Good, the d sound. All right. Snooze, was, froze. Snooze, was, froze. Good. The last sound is z. All right. Glass, fleece, pace. Glass, fleece, pace. Good. S. Last one. Brown, drain, lion. Brown, drain, lion. Good. The final sound is n. All right, now we're going to say a word, and we're going to break up the pieces, okay? The word is block. Say block. Let's tap it. B-l-o-k, block. Say flag. Let's tap it. F-o-a-g, flag. Say plum. Tap it. P-o-a-m, plum. Say club. Tap it. K-o-a-b, club. Say slick. Tap it. S-o-i-k, slick. Say crib. Tap it. K-r-i-b, crib. Say broom. Tap it. B-r-u-m, broom. Say grill. G-r-i-l, grill. Say from. Tap it. F-r-a-m. Last one. Say bread. Tap it. B-r-e-d, bread. Great job. All right, now we're going to add a beginning sound. Ready? Say runch. Add k, crunch. Say rush. Add b, brush. Say rop. Add k, crop. Say raise. Add p, praise. Say rand. Add g, grand. Say rest. Add p, press. Last one. Say rain. Add k, crane. Great job. All right, this time we're going to take away the beginning sound. Remember, these are blends. When we have a blend, we have two sounds. We're going to take one of them away. Ready? Say crab. Say crab, but don't say k. Rab. Say froze. Say froze, but don't say f. Rose. Say prune. Say prune, but don't say p. Rune. Say great. Say great, but don't say g. Rate. Say brat. Say brat, but don't say b. Rat. Say trade. Say trade, but don't say t. Raid. Say brainy. Say brainy, but don't say b. Rainy. Say croak. Say croak, but don't say k. Roke. Say bright. Say bright, but don't say b. Right. Last one. Say grunt. Say grunt, but don't say g. Runt. Good. All right, now we're going to change the blend. So I'm taking the old one away and I'm adding a new one. Ready? Say bless. Change bull to purr. Press. Say clay. Change cl to tur. Tray. Say flip. Change full to grr. Grip. Say glide. Change gl to pr. Pride. Say sweet. Change sw to gr. Greet. Say sled. Change sl to brr. Bread. Say smash. Change sm to cr. Crash. Say snip. Change sn to dr. Drip. Say speak. Change sp to cr. Creek. Last one. Say swim. Change sw to tr. Trim. Great job, friends.